Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look and try on the Zara Basic Jogger Bermuda shorts. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is a pair of Zara Basic Jogger Bermuda shorts, and this one is in washed green and in the small size. I'm just giving you a look at the overall details of this pair of shorts. So taking a look at the back of the shorts, and of course at the front as well, so we can see that there are side pockets to the shorts, and the shorts are made out of cotton, so 65% cotton, 35% polyester. And taking a look at the details and hang tags of this Zara Basic Jogger Bermuda shorts. So giving you a close-up look at the hang tag, and as I mentioned, this one is in the small size and in the washed green color. And taking a look at the other tag or label. And there is another hang tag attached to the bigger tag, and it says Join Life. And it indicates that the cotton consists of at least 15% of recycled cotton. And taking a look at the garment label, and let's take a look at the other inner care and product labels as well. And once again giving you an overall look at this pair of Zara Basic Jogger Bermuda shorts. And of course the back side as well. So you can see that the back does have a patch pocket, and giving you a closer up look at the fabric or textile, and of course the elastic waistband as well. So it does have an elastic waistband with a drawstring that has hard plastic caps or ends to them. So giving you a look right there. And the hoop or hole does appear to be a hard plastic. So once again, the overall details at the shorts, and of course the pockets as well, taking a look at the side pockets and the overall stitching and finishing. And detailing of this pair of shorts. And taking a look towards the bottom of the shorts, the detail around the crotch, and of course the leg as well. And on the inside. And to give you some idea of the softness of this cotton and polyester fabric, and the weave and texture as well, and of course the stretchiness, if there's any, does have a little bit of elasticity to it, as you can see right there, a bit of stretchiness, and just pulling and tugging as well, giving you some idea of this fabric, which is mostly cotton with 35% polyester in it. And of course the elastic band once again, so really stretching it here. And I'm keeping the drawstring away so I can fully pull and stretch this pair of size S or small basic jogger Bermuda shorts in the wash green color. And pulling with the string, there's still plenty of length right there. And once again, the back detail with that patch pocket. So you can see just how soft this pair of shorts is. And now let's go ahead and try it on. So I do have a 32-inch waist. And to give you some idea of the overall details of my physique, and of course the pair of shorts, let's go ahead and try it on. So size small, and I have a 32-inch waist. And you can see the fitment. Of the shorts on my body. And of course we can do a simple tying of the drawstring. And the shorts are sitting nice and snugly on my body. And of course just walking around, giving you some idea of the movement of this 65% and 35% fabric or textile, and giving you a closer in look. So as you can see, the pair of shorts sitting very comfortably on my body. And feeling very relaxed as well. So that's the Zara Basic Jogger Bermuda shorts. Thanks for watching and happy wearing!